More than 1400 years ago, the Holy Qur'an revealed astonishing insights that continue to spark intrigue among scientists and researchers today, some of which have only recently been explored or confirmed by modern technology, including findings from space agencies such as NASA. While NASA itself does not issue religious validations or officially acknowledge these verses as scientific miracles, many Muslim researchers have found striking similarities between recent discoveries and verses of the Quran. One notable example is the phenomenon of the moon splitting, referenced in Surah Al-Qamar. The hour has drawn near, and the moon has split 54-1, which Islamic tradition explains occurred as a miracle shown to the disbelievers in Mecca. Those skeptics argue its metaphoric meaning. Some researchers point to long, deep scars on the lunar surface known as rilles visible in satellite imagery and study by scientists, which could hint at ancient structural splits. Another verse in Surah Ad-Dariyat declares, "And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed, we are its expander," 51-47. Indicating the expansion of the universe, an idea only confirmed in the 20th century by Edwin Hubble and now supported by astronomical data from observatories around the world, including NASA. As galaxies move apart from one another, the Quran also provides an intricate description of the deep sea, or their deeds are like darkness in a deep sea, covered by waves, upon which are waves, over which are clouds, 20-40. This verse surprisingly aligns with discoveries made through modern oceanography, describing internal waves beneath surface waves and layered darkness in deep oceans, a reality unknown until sonar and advanced submarines enabled human exploration. In embryology, the Quran outlines the stages of human creation in remarkable detail. We created man from a drop of fluid, then made it a clinging clot, then turned the clot into a lump of flesh. 23:14. These sequential stages correspond closely to what scientists observe today in embryonic development, so much so that renowned embryologist Dr. Keith Moore once expressed amazement at the accuracy of the Quranic descriptions when matched with microscopic imaging. Another scientific marvel is mentioned in Surah Al-Hadid, "And we sent down iron," 57-25, which implies that iron originated outside Earth. Scientists now confirm that iron, a heavy element, likely came from supernovae and was brought to Earth via meteorites during the planet's formative stages, supporting this revelation. Moreover, in Surah Al-Anbiya, the Quran says, "And we made the sky a protected ceiling," 21:32, referencing the protective layer of Earth's atmosphere, which shields us from harmful solar radiation and meteorites, acting as an invisible shield effect now well understood in space science. These verses, among many others, present profound reflections on the natural world that were far beyond human knowledge at the time of their revelation. While scientific communities, including NASA, remain neutral on religious matters, the congruence between Quranic descriptions and modern findings continues to inspire deeper inquiry into the intersection of faith and science. It is essential, however, to distinguish between empirical scientific discoveries and the interpretations offered by believers. What's undeniably compelling is that many of these insights emerged from a book revealed over 14 centuries ago, in a time devoid of telescopes, microscopes, or satellites. For Muslims, these consistencies affirm that the Quran is a divine revelation from the Creator, containing truths that continue to unfold with time. If you've made it this far, then this journey means something to you. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button like it's your destiny. Like this story if it moved you. Share it with those who need an escape. And leave me a comment, because your voice matters here. This is just the beginning.